The Weld County Sheriff's Office kept busy during last week's blizzard, to say the least. The county mobilized this vehicle, Rescue 1. It's the agency's mine-resistant, ambush-protected military vehicle. They used it to rescue people and transport them to shelters, motels, or their homes. 32 people in total were rescued, and the crew also assisted dozens of motorists. 3 teams of 3 deputies worked more than 40 hours Sunday and Monday. The complex terrain of Weld County made for a variety of snowfall totals. In some places, drifts were as high as 3 or 4 feet. Katie Johnston covering Colorado First.